Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by accepting an expedition at the Nexus or Expedition Terminal. Do that immediately so timers begin. Once accepted, inspect the listed requirements and rewards because you want the right ship, exosuit, and resources to avoid backtracking. Make sure you have Quicksilver and required salvage items in your inventory, and set your active base or waypoints if the mission demands. Begin the expedition countdown and fast travel if available. This keeps progress continuous and prevents unnecessary. Now you execute objectives in order. Follow the waypoints and complete required interactions because expeditions track sequential progress. Use your multi-tool both for scanning and combat. Equip upgrades that speed up tasks like scanning range or mining yield. If objectives involve combat or timed collection, summon frigates or a squadmate to share objectives and reduce risk. Once done with a node, confirm it registers in the log. If not, repeat the action close to the objective marker to force the update. To finish, complete the final evaluation step at the expedition terminal and claim your rewards, because rewards only issue after the terminal check. Once you hand in everything, verify the expedition log shows 100% completion and that rewards deposited into your suit or ship. If progress stalls or an objective won't clear, save and quit, then reload or switch server sessions. That often forces the log to update. If problems persist, move to the Nexus and re-trigger the terminal check before abandoning the expedition.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.